Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be decorating my house for fall.
But I've been wondering if everything's alright. You say you love me, and that's all fine. But it's like I'm missing the passion in your eyes. Am I right? I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right, it's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Baby, are we killing time? Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got something to hide, but so much better if I knew. We're killing time. We're killing time. Do you think I'm fragile? Can't take a blow? Then let me tell ya, got better things on hold. And in conclusion, if it ain't to be, don't spend a minute worrying about me. I'll be pleased. I ain't gonna let it get to me. I will keep it straight, won't make a scene, keep it clean. So just tell me where this goes. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right, it's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Baby, are we killing time? Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got something to hide, but so much better if I knew. We're killing time. We're killing time. All I'm gonna say, don't be wasting my time. Don't be wasting my time. You'll be crossing the line. I'll be on my way, like a thief in the night, like a thief in the night. I'll be out of sight. Now can you tell me if we're just killing time? Just tell me what you're thinking of. Don't feel right, it's like I want us to go on, but not if we are done. Baby, are we killing time? Maybe you're trying to be nice. Maybe you got something to hide, but so much better if I knew. We're killing time. We're killing time. I would do anything. I would do anything for you. You know you're everything. You know you're everything to me. Spitting shade in the cold is just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do?
I wanted to make this crate look like it was full of pumpkins, and so I ended up taking just some pillow stuffing and putting it down in the bottom. And now what I'm doing here is I took some of that, I'm not exactly sure what it's called, it's like the corn husk material stuff that you buy from the Dollar Tree in the floral section, but I'm just taking it and cutting it into pieces. It makes it look like straw, and I'm putting it into it before I put the pumpkins on top. I think it turned out really great.
It's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. I Somehow you're fine with it, even when I'm chaotic. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You see the shade in the cold, it's just my bad temper. What am I supposed to do when the flames going high with my bad patience? I hate it always falls on you. But you know it's not about our love fading. You know it's not about, yeah. You know it's not about our love ending. You know it's not about, it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us. You know it's not about us.
I just wanted to jump on here really quickly and let you guys know that all of the cleaning products that I'm using in this video are the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose cleaners. The one that I'm using in particular is apple cider, and it smells really, really amazing. I get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative, and if you don't know what Grove Collaborative is, it's a really amazing service that you subscribe to, kind of just like Amazon. It's a $20 fee and you get free shipping for an entire year on your cleaning products every month. I personally think that it's really amazing. This video is not sponsored by them. I'm just a really big fan. I really love it. Like I said, if you would like to try it out as well, you can try it for free, as well as get a 5-piece set also for free just for trying. I'll leave a link below and you can go and you can check it out, but I would definitely recommend it, and I think once you try it, you're gonna love it.
You know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. I've been so selfish and made you believe that you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. Ooh, I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some inspiration. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Bye!
Without you.